Good morning, everybody. Gym class heroes to get you started this morning. Looking at the one and only, the beautiful city of Cleveland. Not too windy out there, actually pretty quiet, pretty calm all throughout Northeast Ohio. And that is going to make up for a beautiful day to be at the lake. I know a lot of people taking advantage of the last good days that we have to enjoy in the warm weather. Certainly makes it that much better. 69 degrees water temperature. Winds coming out of the west, shifting to the south as we go into the afternoon and tonight. The winds should stay right around 10 knots or less, and the waves below 2 feet. So can we say just picture perfect? 64 degrees right now to start off this morning. 62-degree dew point. Not as humid as we travel farther to the south. Temperatures in the 60s and also 50s, but overall a very nice start to this Wednesday. Visibility, that is going to be the main problem, especially farther south down into the valleys and even out to the west in Lorain. Just under 2-mile visibility, a quarter of a mile in Wayne County, extending into New Philadelphia and also closer to the turnpike. So please keep your distance. Ashtabula County also dealing with some lower visibility conditions right now, right around half a mile. Not much to talk about as far as the wet weather. The latest system now pushing to the south and well out of the mid-Atlantic states. As we travel out to the west, we do find another system. Eventually it's going to get here, but it'll take a couple of days. So for now, high pressure, keeping things nice and dry, stable atmosphere means plenty of sunshine and great weather to be in the outdoors. There's a warm front coming through, most likely late on Thursday, and then by Friday we'll be watching for the main front, which is set to arrive on Saturday, and that will bring a better chance of wet weather for the weekend. If you're still feeling stuffy, maybe your eyes are a little itchy, ragweed up to 50. It went from moderate after 2 weeks in a row. Now it's above that, so it's definitely going to make a difference. If you're feeling it, hopefully you have found already a remedy. If not, we have to. I know I do. 82 degrees for today. Morning fog, a mix of clouds and sunshine in a comfortable afternoon. Tonight down into the low 60s, clear skies, and an uneventful evening and night, which is completely okay on a Wednesday, right? Tomorrow, 86 degrees, a warmer day with plenty of sunshine. The humidity will start to climb, and that all as a warm front moves in, and then right ahead of a cold front, typically you see those dew points rising. So this front is going to be a lot stronger than the ones we've seen over the past couple of days. We had one on Sunday and then on Tuesday, but it really didn't do much. The front arriving on Saturday is going to make a bigger difference, dropping the temperatures from the 80s all the way back down to the 70s. So big changes, but comfortable changes for Sunday. A beautiful day, mostly sunny skies with 73 degrees. Can't complain about that.
No, you can't. Not at all.
We did get off to a great start. I saw the air show out there, but we saw the clouds roll in this afternoon.
Absolutely, Bill. And already we've had a couple of thunderstorms. Most of them tracked just to the west of Cleveland, and then they moved offshore. So downtown hasn't really seen too much in the way of rainfall. But thunderstorms are just beginning, and the chance will continue overnight and into the day tomorrow. Cold front is on the way and is going to keep things quite unsettled for the next 24 hours. As we take a look at the conditions right now on satellite and Storm Fox, not much happening. Actually, most of the storms just north of Ashtabula. From Cleveland southbound, we're looking fantastic, but we really have to look at the big picture here to get a better sense of what is happening. And the main front is now extending just to our west, right over Illinois, southern Missouri. Ahead of it, the air continues rising, so we have a setup for thunderstorms to continue popping up tonight. The main line of thunderstorms is down in southern Indiana into Kentucky, and that one is going to continue tracking northbound, so eventually tonight we will see some of those thunderstorms. I have a feeling that as far as the timing of the thunderstorms is going to be much better later tonight and into the early part of the day tomorrow. And actually there is some good news, because this front could move out quickly enough to leave behind some nice weather for Labor Day. I'll have the rest of the forecast in just a few. Bill, back to you.
And Angelica, it's the unofficial end of summer.
Well, we may extend it a little bit longer.
Well, let's hope we do. We'll see you for the 8 days shortly. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. We're going to have a beautiful Thursday. Yesterday was nice, although pretty foggy early in the morning. Visibility was down at times to nearly 0. And this morning we find a couple of problem spots, including New Philadelphia, right down 77. Elsewhere looking much better. We've seen conditions change throughout the morning in Wayne County near Worcester, so please be extra careful in that area as well. 63 degrees to start off this morning at Hopkins, 67 Akron, 64 in Lorain, and 61 down in Mansfield. Not a lot of wind, and that is just going to be the perfect perfect setup as we go into the afternoon or even for the morning. A lot of people get out there early. Boaters forecast looking great. Water temperature near 70 degrees. Wind flow coming out of the south. Waves will stay just below 2 feet. Nice and quiet all throughout the area. We travel out to the west and we find a line of showers and thunderstorms. And this is actually associated with the next system that is set to approach. You can see the warm front is going to stay just to our north, and then it's going to bring that instability up, especially as we get into tomorrow evening. In the wake of this front, expect temperatures to plummet back down, but ahead of it, it's going to get much warmer once again. So another quick taste of summer. And ragweed has really been a problem, up to 50, about double since last week. It is still high and it will continue to be an issue. Highs for today around 87 degrees, a nice warm sunny day, but it will be more humid. If you're going to be headed out tonight to the Indians game, it's going to be a lovely night. Temperatures will be dropping down to about 68 degrees, although muggy, so shorts definitely for tonight. Tomorrow, around 90, getting close to the 90-degree mark once again. If we do make it to 90 degrees, it would be the 4th time this year. And all 3 days we did have in the 90s happened in June, so it's been a while. We made it to 88 just a couple of days ago, but for tomorrow, close to 90, warm, breezy with mostly sunny skies. Here's your Fox 8 forecast. On this Thursday, around 87 degrees with plenty of sunshine, a lovely day, a lovely evening as well. On Friday evening, we'll introduce the chance of showers and thunderstorms. And then heading into Saturday, we'll start to dry things out, but also we'll see the temperatures plummet back down. Now, if we had to choose one day this weekend, Sunday will be the one. It's going to be lovely, not only here in Cleveland, but also in Pittsburgh. So for the game, for the start of the season, looking fairly nice, as well as going to feel a lot more like football season, that's for sure, with highs only around 73 degrees. Next week, bright sunny skies, more 70s, temperatures slowly returning to where they should be for the month of September, which is in the 70s.
Okay, that sounds perfect. Thank you. All right, time now.
Well, that's one goal. We hope we don't get that rain. It held off today for the air show, but you showed us there's some stuff approaching. We just hope it maybe overnight or early morning hours.
And I know holiday weekends, the timing of the storms is always very, very important and crucial, but it's actually looking better for tomorrow and even nicer for Monday on Labor Day. So the forecast here, even though we do keep that chance of thunderstorms, I don't think it's going to be all that bad. Today has been absolutely gorgeous. Another warm day, just like the beginning of the week. We made it to 88 degrees. The average is 79, so well above the normal. So far, the month of August was running below average, and of course, the past couple of days warming things up. Now that's bringing temperatures closer to the average normal per se for the entire month. So after today, I'm sure we should be closer to average for the entire month of August. But for the remainder of the month, and as we head into September, get ready for warm temperatures to continue to be around. Maybe not as warm as this. Look at that. The heat indices up to 87 in Cleveland, 90 Akron, 86 in Mansfield. And just a few hours ago, they were up into the 90s. The heat index, typically, it's a formula combining the temperatures and also the humidity. So it's been very humid out there, very warm all around. Still at 85 degrees at Hopkins, 87 in Akron. Taking a look at the water, it's going to get pretty choppy out there. Ahead of the front, the winds will be increasing and a small craft advisory will go into effect at 8 p.m. tonight, and it will stay in effect through tomorrow. So keep that in mind if you have any plans to be out on Lake Erie on Sunday. 15-mile-an-hour wind is pretty gusty farther to the south, and that with the line of thunderstorms that has been moving in. Most of the action now off the water. Everybody looking drier, but there's still a chance for those thunderstorms to continue tonight. The front out to the west, and it will continue advancing, expected to be here by early tomorrow morning. So for the first half of the day, better chance of thunderstorms. The front will start to push farther to the south in the afternoon with a high pressure system over the northern tier of the Great Lakes, providing drier conditions tomorrow night and into Labor Day. So again, the forecast looking much better for your outdoor activities. The next best chance of thunderstorms will be on Tuesday as another front comes in, and this front is going to bring the temperatures down somewhat, but the heat will go on. Ragweed still at a moderate level with 19 counts. And how about those temperatures tonight? Mild, 70 degrees. Showers and thunderstorms most likely closer to midnight. We'll keep that chance into the early part of the day, but by the afternoon it should get better. And then tomorrow evening, just a few scattered thunderstorms, but it does get better for the second second half of the day. Highs around 82 degrees with thunderstorms around to start off the day in your Fox 8 forecast. There you go. On Sunday morning, showers and thunderstorms. A front comes in, moves to the south, becomes stationary. Then it will start to lift again Monday night, which means tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, if there's anything around, will be spotty and scattered in nature. And then Monday looks drier. By Monday night, we're talking maybe 9 p.m. Thunderstorms will start to lift from the south, and then on Tuesday, another cold front. Temperatures will stay in the 80s. This is the second week in a row that we're looking at 80-degree weather for the entire Fox 8 forecast. A little late in the season since most pools closed this weekend.
Yeah, it feels summery out there
it's
as we hit
definitely summer out there.
Labor Day weekend. Thanks, Angelica. Still ahead tonight, talk about he paid up as he said he would. Quick final look at our forecast as we go into the heart of Labor Day weekend.
Storms later tonight after 9 p.m. all the way into early tomorrow. Looks better for the second half of the day, but there will be another round Monday night.
All right. And